Mina Aissatou Smile Cissé, and this is the program Talk to the Camera. Today we can at Blacko Road, Ashobi Corner, for can talk to people where they live in the community. For me they tell me what they go on at the community when not they go down well with them. As we dey inside the community now, we go start for talk to people where they live inside the community. Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name? How many years you don't take the Blacko Road community?
Yeah, they face me 2 years of age. They face me now.
So what did they go on at this community so we know they go down well with you now?
This community will go down well with you. Yeah, network problem. It does stay on away. The WhatsApp problem on away. Don't get good health center. We post is secure. For try take care and go on, it's not easy. So but putting him on this community way before say don't go down. On never be anti-mafia will not get no wait and call way take care of free this community. So it's in Boku.
So when you talk about the water issue, how do they affect on our way in this community?
Where the card is council for buy water pass to about 1,000 for rubber. 1,000 for rubber. For make it get a mark, not easy. Pass it gap around there 5 o'clock. When we grab around there 2 o'clock for get water. Well, most them picking there, they gap pick here. Who they left for go get? Somebody go get belly. No, for say picking go study because that's no business on the pass to student picking. Who the big one? No go say for go get. Pass on say get pick there. Go point level. So what's our business more? Anyone in this community.
So the road issue. Now can get any accidents with bike like we passing bike go passing down or neither motorcar accidents? Now I should talk about the road.
Yeah. Okada arrive there. MPK, especially MPK they come out school. Then Okada not no control of this community. They pass left and right. West and bank picking go. Pass the community where they send at this junction. Now they take care of MPK. We ask the parents who one day. Motorcar, where see motorcar they come bang in the check.
So to all wetin dey affect on this community, una don't ever meet una stakeholders then this community explain tell them.
If we explain, they're not going to wait for them. Say they're not going to ask for governments because anything say governments. So that government they put on par. So we're not going to wait for the person who left to God.
What about the security issue for Unanaya?
In bad of. See, find the money we in this community. We don't not clean for them. We never know a lot for this community for safety business. In the morning we choose the everybody there. We are going to look into my pedal for a lot of people no place. So we never know a lot for this community TV business. The morning we ask about government. Do you have many for this TV business and this community? West Nets cannot clean for them. We never allow fear. We not sleep again. Do you have the big government? May they do that favor for we. That's the big no more.
Okay, thank you very much. Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name?
Mina Musa Cissé.
How many years you don't take in this community?
Well, in this community, I that born, I that grew up. I don't take in this community 38 years.
So what's they go on at this community when they go down well with now where they live there?
Well, this community, beaucoup de know the strain for. We not go help us them we can help we.
Okay.
Like for one, the first thing first what they talk about are the belly woman them. Woman they get belly in this community. For go clinic, send out for clinic. Pass the go 4 hour cottage. So women in there pass them go for born house. We no get community center where people they pick and make sure that in there for the community be lively. We no get 16 day. Then 2, the water facility is very poor in this community. People they strain for water, we picking them. Now that make beaucoup of get picking them now they get belly for this get water and nets. Pass them gonna pump, they didn't have the pump all net for get water. Water facility very poor. Up the hill also, water well no day. You see, we picking they get belly and net too much. They get picking them. This water they put picking them. And you know go see we get picking. You know go send for get water. Any carry you get for need water. Pass the picking for get water. You see, now they put picking them, but they get water so. Then after that, back the road network is very poor back. Up the hill away they see so. We no get no road network good. People are just stone the money, the only stone and say you go up the ilem. You go like us. Then after that, back, if the person die up there also for pull and day, count and long for Campbell and risk is over in gone. So constrained. But who the big let government help we or NGOs they made help we.
So what about the security issue in this community?
Well, the security issues then they pull back because we get the CSV them. The CSV near the community, but no longer sponsor already sponsors them. They don't net where they patrol. No longer not waiting where they guide them. Like for instance, therefore they drink tea, therefore get small encouragement, men and get zeal for guide the community. But all the facilities they know at the community. You see.
Waiting at the message we go on for Central Papa government and viewers.
Well, at this message they send out to the government. Many governments can now will assist, many can assist we. Because if you not can assist we with the stream, you see, what time for votes reach, with the votes. With the vote for them, they come in the campaign to we, up there all the claim over there also. The campaign to we say after we don't win, we make step for now. All don't win, we bring for our water. All don't win, we bring certain community centers them, we hospital them for now. The after we don't win done, they forget about we. And they can check now the community. Now the stream, you see. So
within our relationship, on the community people them, within our relationship with our councillor and the member of parliament them.
Well, like this community also, we get one honorable with a councillor and Papa now. Amen Masari. So more than petition at the na parliament with them pull am, the new honorable with the himself it just come. You see, it just won't come at the community. So in the study first, I go before attack issues them. But for now, you know, we do not see it for it. Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. Yeah. Come to this interview. Your name?
My name is Hussein Yassin, but my most popular name they call me used to call me artist.
So how many years you don't take now this Black Road?
I don't take more than 20 years back now this Black Road.
So what did they go on at this community where not they go down well with una the youth man them?
So with the youth man them, I believe say we now we understand much things that really happen at the area. We understand, and we are the youth man in this area. We are the best garage youth organization. Me are the chairman as I'm talking to you now. So waiting now to go down well with you too much separation. We need to see no more job. We get so many companies in our area. We need get job. Yeah. We always there at the streets. The big people and where they go around. And through the back they survive. And we not get nothing, no job, restless. As soon as we just sit down, we not get nothing with you they do. No thing they go, things that they go hard every day. And people are they go through pump there. Look at I hope so when I take a look at the pump there. Nothing they go down well, everything they go down well.
Youth man not get self pump for able to control. Say these are the youth man in pump.
Yes. So who they beg Papa government stay will help we. Who a big boy and I'll become me ready to talk so me I'm 29 years old now. No job for we the youth man we expect the youth man as well as they come up so now. We forget say what we dey we are chat to sell for the get something because we na a church man now when all equip to go school learn book and we no get no job.
When you be the talk you talk about company then they na so but they know they employ una the youths them. Una don't meet the stakeholders then una community them let una tell them say na this they go on and you know they go down well with una the youth man there.
Okay, yes, we the youth man now we don't take the venture one time but big people then come out and tell me say the best thing I can do una get una councillor. It gets me the best thing I can do when I make paper when I forward on to the councillor and me the chairman I make paper I forward on to the councillor I go to the PRO we go right to the councillor so the councillor forward the paper there but the councillor waiting in back if don't make the chance for able cater for we under but the people at the company then able give you chance they when they come we get woman when and the HR where would they go to who they go beg like we me the chairman they go there they beg I said do when I help you I said because we don't say now we don't can we don't work for una this una company we don't beg una there una able help you for if na able take 2 or 3 months self among we not say if the rest not able we go able help the other next Monday. It gets me but we don't talk bon and we don't talk we no able see no help the check just it turn we go dey serve no you know the glad for see self.
So what is the name of the company?
Then we get OBT we get Rasberg we get MSC we get Cats we get this foam factory, we get Masala, we get City Council. Yeah, so that the company and we get so many companies in our area. But we the youth man that at this particular area, none of we need to work. We none of the work at this particular company. Other different people already out there. And then they come out, they can work. And who they go for level help. I like now any car work same at the company, but finally we the youth man already, we they able to guide them more because now we they. So if you finally and take we, but who they happy, they go, they meet them for level help, no help. Then decide for go take other different people and come in. So now that money we right so we do it man, no job for we. And we the best graduate organization. Now we then now born now men. So they are beg let people are able to talk for we, let them able help we for job.
Okay. Thank you very much. Yeah. Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name?
My name is Alaji Kamara.
How many years you don't take now Black Road Benz Garage?
Don't take nearly to 14 years at this area.
What thing they go on at this particular community when no they go down well with you now?
Now like waiting me brother just talk now me in the day at this community 24/7 up and down. The couple play the pass by bike soon now we dey break them. Hey brother so now so. All and they will not go down well with that because we a big man there and with the constraint. Now we know it's too deep in this area. For me government don't can any concern at this area. We don't know what's happen. Even that company, so we brother just talk, we can go there, we go also. They may take we like serious person at this area. One day we tell them say, we say if people, if it's something happen at that company, now we are the first people who go there for go do anything. Una de Paul Calbatos, una de Western, una sick we interest. We don't know what's happening. We don't do all kinds of things. For no more, let them able put win aside, say even for sweep safe. Although we no go put inside the charity, even if for sweep safe, once we back life don't change, but we say maybe help life. So they are the big. We no go to some man depend if we see other people area the mechanic, so they help the youth them greatly. Any say no say company they at least the youth in the area and them first get for enjoy. But with this way, we know kind of local we get so they are. If you come for kind interview, I don't say you know the person who go to make this thing, we don't go opportunity today.
So what about the security issue for Nanaya?
Well, the security enforcement of that company, they want pass we.
For the community, the security business, how una the youth man can help for improve security now?
Like we can do like that says we like who they say because we say we get people they say I'm going for thief, go and bounce people in the mouth. We now in this community we can always see where Avengers the river trash in the area for let we people they go able to sleep comfortable. And then they will not get equipment back for that, so we can do on the risks. And a risks because for them man left it go na streets. You know nothing that man don't come over it na night. Some man can work out cost that, some man can work out. But we don't know. But do please while you help me for this vacancy for the back we do. But it's now most purpose now this company with the big one for now able back for can talk for you. The youth say we still staying at this area 24/7 with the money people in per bike. Hey brother, it's shameful self. A big Rudence is always a swing at 24/7 because we no want go thief. Na shameless thing and but na they make today for no don't can interview without the big una help we.
So we have the message where you go on for send to Papa government and viewers to always you don't say so. Papa
government we don't come for can receive we and still we still apologize to all this best garage youth organization for let go to make let this community go able to live the community. This community always lack, but all this community now this one area now the lackest community this best garage, the lackest community. Government don't come, but this community lack they are the big. Papa government another. Papa honorable we get to now be Papa now. It can't just can't like power. And they do nothing. They even we honorable then get a court honorable we call chief minister. Since so then no one they send at this area. So now that they always pray God for. They able can help me. I don't say you able can receive from this constraint with the pursue. And the youth say I don't say that they get every progress for go before the youth.
Okay, thank you very much. Yeah. Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name?
My name is Hassan Ellen Bangura.
How do they call this community where you do so?
Well, they call Black Road Ashobi Corner.
I want to make you tell me what thing they go on at the Black Road Ashobi Corner way, not they go down well with una way they live in this particular community.
Well, there are a series of things we be seen go down with this community. To start with, the road network, as you can see, when the bikes there and the vehicles there and the fire up and down, the dust, it affect tree. And not only for things they hang, like the clothes, the other things, even the human health, very dangerous, not something good. We inhale this particular dust, and it affect tree. And again, at times, we the woman, they try for at least take his too for go down. So normally, we the bike, the shake there. I have the day when they go to hospital, they find that a bunch of issues, complication between and the features, baby inside, and even the mommy. So all these things affect you now. And secondly, the water problem. We get water problem in this community. Previous, of course, water was so abundant for me. Though yes, not going to get at water, but it better. But currently, pump the lock, you take them 4 days, 5 days, we don't get water. And even other communities where I work as a young boy, I go like local street and the others, they get similar problem again. All land they not nice. And again, another factor that affect you correctly, health facility. Of course, they are going to get hospital here, but at least not get a clinic. That community clinic is very necessary because you go forget first if you want to take the sick person to the big hospitals like Connaught, Scotchy, and the rest. But all that affect you. At times, nobody they are alive, so the lost now or no for non lost there. If there is a first aid treatment like health clinic, health centers, they should have remedied the situation before it become worse. But you know, take the sick person from the various community, especially Black area, to Connaught Hospital. Traffic conjunction normally it make the person lost life because you not get road not to go make somebody go quickly. In the ambulance, of course, yes, then they face those constraints. We'll be saying they want to make a quick pass, but from there far the road network so spacious, and then back not to the fault. So all that they affect we as a community people. Another point again, when another factor affect you here again, especially electricity. Previous, to be honest, right? Electricity was very, very good, and normally we get as not easy for let's see light go on and off, but now it's very erratic. Electricity in this community very, very erratic. It come on off. As I'm speaking now to you, if you not watch electricity, no, you not get light. Like me, I teach students, of course, yes. Get me PC, this and computer. I want to for user and all do some practical things, but there is no way because light no day. You see, and all this that affect we. And normally, if the situation of the country not so good or not so favorable for all, but we get lights like us. Normally we picking, watch film, they do like things, and that it scare the stress away. It make you forget about other things. But when light no day, it make you begin think all that day. Like we get woman there, we get sisters, the mama there. We especially like then see the movie there, then see the movie there, do them Philippine movies, then So my when we watch that day. What did they think ahead? You go make they pull out for the moment. All them see there, it affect you. So need electricity really.
So what about the security issue for Nana Blackogo there?
Of course, yes. Anyway, Danny, apart from Blackogo, I'm talking about the entire Freetown municipality. Security is not so that much. Because I do believe that what they bring all this walala go up and down so because of situation of the country. Really, yeah, it normally happen recently. 2 weeks ago, one lady, it was at night, it passed. Let's say a boy there, they drug it back, and then drug that baby in bag shoe. Boom, it's for Allah. There's no way they don't see them people, then guys then they. So just 2 days, now we see a group of guys there. They organize themselves. They see in a community, people who they for protect the community, for secure the community. So will I get 2,000 loans? They give there. Will I get 5,000? It depends on how much you offer give there. I know as something choking for them back for them to do their job or execute their job. And of course, yes, since then I wouldn't take that challenges. Then we go around the community. Then guys, they don't be snap around there when they see it again. So normally most of them they don't scared, they don't move from this community. Anyway, we say good old thanks to them because in the risk their life for those short things. Some of you they sleep while then they go around. Anyway, of course, yes, that much in there now. But anyway, there are a lot of challenges for secure. Because we are a very big community. A very big community, a security personnel again, and if we go around. But I don't know, normally if government made provision for that based on the security we get, like the shoulders and the police. I don't know if that happen. If they are only assigned to the police stations or their barracks, only not to the communities, I don't know. But the best is knows to the government how they disseminate this particular security agency.
So when you be the talk, you talk about the road network. You say Ipo. Now get any incident to say person go further with bike na so or motorcar accidents na?
Of course yes. I know the major motorcar issue. It's our accidents within the, but normally the bikes, because I talk on which I don't see and which I they right. Although yes, the bikes when normally get pass go up. Now if you go up, you go see the side and you for don't get accident in it. Even behind these houses, when you go there, normally me I read the social back there for don't it. Already happen, yeah, just by the cemetery and the burning ground where he pass, side when he pass for friend away quick way for good not so back then for don't they all they get it. You know, it happen. They don't know it's not good, really not good. It's not good. As you can see now, this is just start constructor, kind of stop. Kind of stop. So normally when you get some amount of accident, then by accident.
So what now the message we go on for Central Park government and via store with you don't say so?
Of course yes. Yeah, government they're not going to do everything at once, but they need to one after the other. There's a process, right? But we say things are very hard, things are very tough, really. It's not easy for carry the load of a government. But we are pleading as a community with the big government. We are necessary, especially in the basic things we need. It's water, because water, is very important. As they say, they help people say water and life, right? And water is very paramount, very necessary for any community, for any society. So without water, the culture of people will become vulnerable. And even some sickness, the ways people get from that. There are times when they don't fit for drink. If they drink just for let me satisfy the taste. But it's not good for alcohol though. You don't become tasty for drink. You must drink. So government get for put mechanisms in place and therefore do things we go make sure say not 100%, but we got at least 75 to 80% of the water. That will be better for you. And the road network, of course, yes, they have for put road network in place because as I say earlier, this doesn't inhale, it affects the health system. Let's have for put her in place. They are with the big by government and let's have doing things and especially about the health sector. We know we get speech as I say earlier, right? But no we will get a community clinic or help then we will help at least for secure for remedy situation before going to worst. Because if you will get it in the year, definitely and go bring a first aid to the sick person before taken to the big hospital. I'm glad to tell for big the government for do especially electricity back. They are light very important. As I say earlier, now. Then she says they are about picking then they are mama there, as you see now they like their movie films they are, the Philippines and the others. So when they watch that they keep away from stress. Also we need the health. So if we need life follow do some basic things and follow do a lot of things. But if not they what they make with the young boys normally with the youth they at least follow get amount of satisfaction. If not then definitely it not like some of people but others the temptation for do things will be say it's not gonna be right, it's not gonna be good. So I pray to the government let's have for remedy all these situations for put things in place that could be nice for we as a country whole.
Okay, thank you very much. Come to this interview. Your name?
My name is Melami Bangura.
How many years you don't take now this Black Road community?
In fact, now I'm born. Now I'm born. Daddy get Osia, but since we live here, in fact, one of the oldest community this fucking thing. Understand, eh? But from we government they come, government they go, one day they not ever consider we now. Because wow, not get good road now all day and we house and facing this dust street. And any month it can affect we picking them because the dust they suffocate we day and night. Right now you go inside we place there, they see dust, so dust. You see? Then we community, this same community now we get I call them community center, but this community center is not too active. See, so that they make we picking them if we picking them sick, pass we run go with another side.
Meaning no not get health center now,
at all. No get non health center. So some of women they already ready for born pass we run go cottage, run go Connaught. See all that one they will strain over that. See now that make me say well papa government go able for try for we. And government they don't go, but from that they not able for help we now. And this community now one of the popularity community them Africa. As you see now up the hill them, they see host them beaucoup people them beaucoup, but we still they lack. Understand, eh? So that is not.
Waiting on the message we go on for Central Upper Government and via store. Wait till you don't say so.
For let them go help we. Let them go help we. You see? Because most of these things are like a so now. All them picking the we see them come out school, then come, even the uniform they as them book them, they hang them, shooting for the next morning, then kingdom cup, we then sick, pass we begin they go with them, they go with them other community, now other hospital them. So me want let Papa government go help we for let them able for change, for transform we, let them go able for develop we area.
Okay. Thank you very much. So this interview name?
Ibrahim Tibu Kamara.
How many years you don't take in a Black Road community?
Well, I mean 52 years this time. But I don't think, but me age 62 years.
Okay, so what's they go on now this community? We know they go down well with tonight.
They go on my little community center, my little community. We know go down well for me. More is could begin them. You know, agree for study. You know, agree for land. All the yard per my business. And myself, all this community will not glad for that. So while the government put the per them picking and then go all them book, then go study. The right time now, we self fully, mommy and daddy, we self go able to help the teachers there for me the picking themselves go learn. The we the parents there, who self will get small fault because okay allow picking there, then go as we allow picking them and go some side, all the can not go hacks there, who side them come out. So that again, we the parents will go for pay attention for that back for make put pressure for them picking the land.
This community will not get health center.
Yeah, get her.
Not get health center now.
Not get health center, but get community center. Who they be here?
So what about the water business?
Water business again, the more we. But now the water now, first time we the days there we begin water frequent now in the restaurant. Then by now until there was 9 o'clock and then the water the car. Until we see close of 9 o'clock. Pass the other time by full. It's by hours until like a Wednesday, to about 9 o'clock. Then Thursday it will be there full clock until like a Saturday. It will be like there 10 to 9 o'clock Sunday morning. The culture farm. So then the rational.
So what about the lights?
The light, they can frequently passing 2-3 days. I don't know get small black, but they say they are electrified so Ethiopia.
Thank you very much. Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name?
My name is Maria Subrando.
How many years you don't take in a Black Road community?
I don't take in a Black Road community 18 years.
So since you can't have Black Road community, what are the constraints the way they on the face in this particular community?
Well, this community will constrain more on this road. This road is the more now we rain season we suffer, dry season we suffer. The more now we don't water business, the more now we in this community.
How the water they affects you now?
The water in the effects we like where the rain they cancel, rain season time like where the water they cancel, they make the streets they poto because we not get better gutter there. Past this one grade drainage, so when they affect we they make we pick the dirty where the guys see come back the dust we hosted the dirty with the dirty I like you wear clothes but I tell you remember I don't dirty the dust it will not safety now.
So what about the security issue for Nanaya?
The security issue back where we need them because right now the more we when nets come we need get better sleep they harass with the months then.
So now we don't go to the nearest police station for telling saying that this they happen in our community.
Some of the elders they be don't move go down Ross Road. They go talk about that.
What are the message we going for Central Upper Government and viewers?
Papa government would they tell us say they angry about kuna the country. Would they suffer we especially with the woman then. It's not easy for they put to market say don't they get seller. And Motaman not a wall for the office. Some of we na pa business with they survive. But right now, it's not easy. The businesswoman they put to market say we sell, we pick it they suffer because the pikin they able live out there for live. Because if pikin they go to school, you go get 4,000 for lunch, you don't suffer. Because when you they go buy with that 4,000, the way you go able bell full. It's not easy. Tell Papa government with the first one with the rest cheap. If the rest cheap, they release for the money small. If first they work in office, they get master, they pay at your time. Who they say we will able to survive. But if first they work in office and they pay at your time as master, now the world they sell, we they suffer. You demand that they suffer, working all day. Tell Papa government, say the price they go up rapid. rapid price dey go up. If you go na money for go buy market, say they say Santa you go for go buy, they meet the price dey go up. When they have up say I don't get this money, when they go for go buy now, they reach again. Santa if you buy this quantity of market, where they go now, they can't done because they go they meet the price dey go up. So say government say they money we dey suffer.
Okay. Thank you very much. Welcome to this interview. Your name?
My name is Hassan Jallo.
How many years you don't take na Black Road community?
Well, I don't take care more than 15 years Black Road.
So what thing they go on at this community when they go down well with you now?
Well, what they go wrong? Number one, we don't get water facility in this area. With the stream, sometimes it takes some days before pump they open. So the pass will go up the hill, with the left way is more for we get water, and it's still full really. Through that left for the left there for we get water. Now there's some people get taught belly, some of the boys then they convince them, you know, they do just what they will not find today. You see, so with the stream. So number two, the wood also I see the area, you know, the dust it really disturb we, the wood do not find. See, if you some motor safe. For them go up now with side tender, it's not easy. You see, pass will take bike and it costs. For the bike round, you go up. And not all man you afford that transportation you for go up. So they pass in worker. And secondly, we don't get hospital and a clinic. Now one of the most important things that one at the area. When somebody sick now, pass then they all on from up, see them go down, and it really still full. You see. Now one of the most things that one day we if you go to help we look at a hospital facility now or any clinic, you will be fine. You see.
So what is the message where you go on for to always you want so message for Central Papa government and viewers?
Okay, well when they talk to Papa government and the community as a whole, for them go help we but all the things about the outline so if you go help we you go really fine. You see. The last thing we get some over there at the area now we disturb we. So we then click over there. They economy they block the road. You understand? They disturb the bikes. They would they can at the area. See for give money. Sometimes a net. Only you get transport. We they count you inside. Then they afraid. We see past 7 o'clock. They free for come because they attack the bike there. With the passenger, any two and gets they pull everything and get from them. So we walk in listener streets, especially we can go for camp. We don't get bike where they can to up, you know, easy. So with the strain, so we talk to government. That's security side. For the help with security. If you go send or if the police post it around the area, you go find. Black Road, the moment they click, they disturb too much. Yes. Sometimes na Benz garage they block. Sometimes na this corner. So the Central government for the help that side, the security side. Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay. Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name?
Anin Kadiatu Kamara.
How many years you don't take now this community?
I don't take 11 years.
So what did they go on at this community when no they go down well with you now?
Well, number one, when I see no one at the road. This road they are all day bike and the for now. When they see that study. One belly woman don't for down us with bike. Now we rescue under. Say bleeding, we call ambulance car take her then go to a coachage. After that, the water. Most of them picking their way they born so where they get belly soon. And for this water, they strain for water. After that,
so I can go get water.
When I don't bends. Sunday one water side they open and they call and cool water. Where the water where pump the lock and they claim. So on the inside they see people and they safe. And they can go. After that, look the gutter, they motorcycle layer. They say for put bag. Government we don't give it back. Plastic and plastic them be give it. You don't check. So when the motorcycle and they can who they find we all rest bag now, they pin the dirty, watch yonder. That bag they way flop now 2,000. Now na 5,000. So who they beg 10 and they make we alala, they pay 3,000 and not agree. Then say na bombe. Then they pay them. To the one who forgot offload the dirty, they pay them. So if you not pay for throwaway, they no dey gree. So now I make them back. Then they buy fuel. So now I make them back. They say 5,000 for that small bag. The rest bag wey dey see so. So that don't be the case. Me no go do that deal. Some people in the way net scam. If you win, I ask because me na chair lady me they talk to you so. Me club in him all tight. Then can you touch them, dirty them, pa them bag them. When if you call they at 12 o'clock. But when they meet bag them, they team up here. Because some people not get 5,000 for pay. So now they can't eat buy. Now we this way they contribute, so they sit down at this environment. Now who they pay for them dirty them day. If we don't make kalala with them by cry at them. Pay they pay 3,000 now 2,000 blanks pay. But all around tell we so long give the 2,000. Now not they agree. So now they might be now auto cleaner any day complain. I asked them 2 days back, one man can give me FCC them. Then can give me the number for anybody where they catch, like call them for car arresting. They get me not to so. So they stay, they constrain for them thing they are. Believe say 2,000, you say they see they eat them. But if in another 2,000 they pay, you not go more now. Some person not get. The end not to the same. So there they talk to Papa government, let them help we for them to cycle the asso, for them to team to car the asso. Let them can also let them talk to them. Let they pay the 2,000. If you not for that, but cool people and then they to rent a gutter. Where in the car they go na treat, they cause flooring because they don't raise that up. Then back then tell we, then say because I ask them say, we they talk on our radio. Then say they know they afraid though, because then they pay by fuel, they go pay back na dirty box. If you not pay, no they glare offload. So now we air na then they pull up. So if he asks me now, so I stop first.
So waiting at the message where you go on for Ato always you don't say. So message for send to Papa government and viewers.
Waiting at the send to Papa government, especially number one this road yasu. Let Papa government make am. Look that belle woman. He fortunate for go born the pikin lost am because I had the bike bandong. Let Papa government help we for make this road. 2, let the water let them make go. They left the water. Let the water go. They come because na from Guma. Now the water they come. So let them not go they lock the pump, then 1 week, then 3 days, then 5 days with the strain. Especially woman where you grab na money water, any minute water. So do ya now in they make plenty then girl pick their soul and they misuse themselves. Because when you see on the left you girl pick you the mammy na house, they then not treat water na 1,000 for rubber, emergency. 1,000 for rubber. Now when you come back for this water tank there so in have 1,000 back. That if you pump no day. And yanda back, you not go blame them because now we pump the open and they will get water. If you pump the open, you get water. So this water that they make girl picking then they get belly.
So what about the health center in this community?
Well, we get one health center or community center yanda. When I did them, you tell we say that's the whole go the meeting. Then tell we say for go the for car open the health center, but you not begin operate it. Inside coconut farm yanda.
So the health center where they not begin operated?
You not begin operated because if the last day we go the meeting after 4 o'clock now go there. So then tell we that when I want us they don't give that head day, but you not begin operated. So anybody now so when picking sick now under 5 would you go?
So now under 5.
Now don't is cross yonder. Now they now under 5. That hospital where they did. So now they the belly woman, the most of the belly woman they go. If you win, now they would go where you get small picking. So there they talk to Papa government, let them help we. Let them help we do ya. Let them help we. Especially we the woman there we they suffer. We they suffer a lot. Woman and another pan work. The picking and boku, me all they talk to you, so I get 6 picking. Me man a die. Me na widow. They don't die, let's give me them picking their yasso. I no get nobody. Now my credit I take it. I pay for that big pop, but you don't see twice. The other one class 6. The other one class 4. The other one class 3. Now they so. The 2 they not reach for go school late. Because where them 5 years, I carry them go. So they are the free education where they say now in Papa government don't count. Who know they pay, but book how would they buy 20,000 for dozen. Pencil now we they buy.
What school so?
Then government school there.
So what's government school you picking that?
this Yaso SLMB and then in pikin and they go. The other angels don't see to us. But na 3 in gets the big one. So I don't go there back and not pay penny. Na municipal. Yeah, no pay. Then take a day. Pass the scratch card I buy. So do you this school here, especially this school, this free quality education, what Papa governments don't carry it. This will they talk to Papa governments, he put efforts because we will not get me where they talk so me na widow. Now macro credits now they take. We will be there now so we pass 10 with the woman then. $3 on our way they don't go up line. For pay for them picking no more. They don't run away. I swear to me God, this macro credits. But if they help with the community, then give it soft loan. Who they be pay small will not go run away. Tell me true. Then go give you 1 million. The interest rate they put now 4,000 loans. Now would they put on top of the 1 million? Then tell we back say now by week we they pay them on here. So week then day who not they able get sell 3 money. So no one know. Then tell we say pass you die. But when you sick self, when they didn't have sick bed, na cannot. You for pay that money day. So do you would they cry to Papa government? Let them help we, especially with the woman them. We na petty trader them. Now me get this store. Now me they sell this food. And my credit me they play with. Okay. Now they tell I don't mean me pick it up to us so the big one.
Okay, thank you very much. As you don't listen to people where they live now the Black Road Ashobi Corner community as they talk about the constraints them where they face. Me wake up with this program to na today. Me your name na Aissatou Smile Cissé. Until we meet again to another edition of the program Talk to the Camera. I say tata.